3 класс, английский язык. С возвращением. Домашнее задание, страница 4-5. English. Spotlight 3. Welcome back. Homework page 4-5. Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. We begin our English lesson. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4. 4. Welcome back. Exercise number 1. Read and write their names. Hello, I am Larry. Nice to see you again. Hello, I am Lulu, and this is Chuckles. Welcome back. Hello, everyone. I am Nanny Shine. Welcome back. Repeat exercise number 1. Прочитай и напиши их имена. Hello, I'm Larry. Nice to see you again. Hello, I'm Lulu, and this is Chuckles. Welcome back. Hello everyone, I'm Nanny Shine. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2, chit chat. Hello Rosie, nice to see you again. Hello Jack, nice to see you too. Exercise number 2, chit chat. Hello Rosie. Nice to see you again. Hello, Jack. Nice to see you too. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 5. 5. Exercise number 3. Listen and sing along. Color me red. Color me blue. Color me a rainbow too. The ducks are brown. The books are green. The pencil case is pink. What color is the sun today? It's yellow sun, I think. Listen and sing along. Слушайте и подпевайте. Color me red. Color me blue. Color me a rainbow too. The ducks are brown. The books are green. The pencil case is pink. What color is the sun today? It's yellow sun, I think. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Find the colors. Walk in pairs. Student A, read the word. Student B, say the color. Веселье с красками. Walk in pairs. Student A, read the word. Student B, say the color. Black, yellow, pink, green, yellow, orange, white, blue, brown, red, pink, yellow, green, pink, red, black, green, pink, yellow, black, red, white, blue, pink, black, brown, white, blue, yellow, red, red, green. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.